Welcome back to my station. Question number 1. Complex number. Z is equal to 2 plus I. Find Z raised to 5 plus Z bar raised to 5. Z raised to 5 plus Z bar raised to 5. 2 plus 3I. The whole raised to 5. Conjugate of Z. 2 minus 3I. The whole raised to 5. Binomial theorem. Using binomial theorem, a plus b the whole raised to 5 plus a minus b the whole raised to 5. So is a raised to 5. Next time cancel. 5c2 a raised to 3 b raised to 2. Next time cancel. 5c4 a b raised to 4. Using this result we can find this is equal to 2 into a raised to 5. Here a is equal to 2, 2 raised to 5, 32, 5c2. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. That is 10. 10 into a cube. A cube is equal to 2 cube 8. B square. 3i the whole square, that is 9i square. But I squared is equal to minus 1 plus 5c4, that is equal to 5c1. Using the result NCR is equal to NCN minus R. 5c1 is equal to 5. A2 b raised to 4. 3i the whole raised to 4. 81 I raised to 4. But I raised to 4 is equal to positive 1. 32 minus 720, 810. So answer is 2 into 122. 240. Second question. Z is a complex number. Mod Z minus I. First we can take these two. Mod Z plus I. Let Z is equal to, let Z be x plus iy minus I. X plus I into y minus 1. X plus I into y plus 1. Modulus of x plus iy, root of x square plus y square. Here imaginary part is minus 1. X square y minus 1 the whole square, root of x square plus y plus 1 the whole square. Squaring on both sides, x square cancel. Y square minus 2y plus 1. Y square plus 2y plus 1. Plus 1 y square cancel. So minus 4y 0. We get y is equal to 0. Then comparing these two, mod equating second part, we get y is equal to 0. Mod z plus I, that is equal to mod z minus 1. X plus iy plus I. X plus iy minus 1. Root of x square. Imaginary part is y plus 1. X minus 1, real part x minus 1 the whole square plus y square. Squaring on both sides, x square y square 2y plus 1. Substituting y is equal to 0. Squaring and substituting y is equal to 0, we get x square plus 1. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus 0. X square plus 1 cancel. So 2x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. We get z is equal to 0 plus I0, only one complex number. So number of s, that is equal to